and welcome to our 2021 Virtual Industry and Education Showcase. Like many things, STEMfest at the Works is different this year, but we're very excited to invite you to join us in exploring and celebrating the STEM in our community and win some pretty cool prizes along the way, including a Works membership. To get started, head over to the Works website, linked below, to see our industry and education highlights. After watching, join in the fun on our Facebook or Instagram stories to complete our STEMfest scavenger hunt beginning at 11 a.m. and be automatically entered into a drawing for our showcase prizes. If you want an extra entry or two, if you haven't already, be sure to like and follow the Works on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. New followers and subscribers through 11 a.m. on Sunday will be entered into the giveaway. Winners will be announced and notified on Monday, March 8th. And we hope that you enjoyed this year's virtual STEMfest showcase and be sure to join us online at noon for this year's virtual award ceremony. Thank you to our sponsors at The Ohio State University at Newark, Central Ohio Technical College, Goodyear, State Farm, the Licking County Heath Newark Port Authority, and the Licking County Foundation.